assalamu alaikum. Hi, wedding shopping. Wedding shopping. And then we're gonna do some house shopping. House shopping. And I'm going to pick my iPad up that I've been waiting for so long.
And what happened to your iPad?
I smashed it in the wall.
Oh, so it cracked?
Yeah.
The screen cracked?
Yeah.
And is it ready now to be picked up?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Good. Let's go and pick it up then. So Aayat, you happy with that? Where's your iPad? In the bag. Right, come here then, I'll give it you. Come on. What have we got? What's that? Oh my god, come on. So everybody say congratulations to Aayat. Got her iPad back. Are we happy? Good. This way, Ira. Shopping done. Wedding shopping done. Where are we going now, Ira?
Get my scooter.
You've played with the scooter already. Where are we going? Where are we going now? Can you tell us where we're going?
To Ammy's house.
That's right, going to Ammy's house. And who's Ammi?
Daddy's mom.
Your grandma. Alian, can we show the people what you're wearing today? Daddy's little prince. Okay everyone, we've reached Ammy's house and I think we'll call it a night for today, yeah? So we'll see you all inshallah next time. Okay Ira?
Okay.
Say Allah Hafiz.
Love
Aayat, you got something to say to everybody?
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe everybody. Okay everybody, just before we go, Aayat just wants to do a quick dua before we call it a day. Okay Aayat? Let's go ahead whenever you're ready.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. Please Allah bless my dad, my mom, and my brother and my sister, my grandpa and my grandma, everyone around the world.
And all the Muslims.
And all the Muslims.
Who need help.
Who need help.
Ameen.
Amen.
Ameen. Thank you.